In this video, we're going to talk about data types and specifically data types that are surrounding dictionaries. So dictionary is a specific type of data type within JavaScript, as well as a lot of other programming languages. And you can kind of think of it in two different ways. The first is an actual dictionary, with a word and then a definition. In this example, the word would be called the key, and the definition would be called the value. But really, it's basically in programming, it's any key value pair. So first off, in order to declare a dictionary, you basically just use the same syntax as you do for any other variable. You do var, and then the name of the dictionary, and then curly brackets. So the curly brackets is what makes it unique compared to other data types. To declare a dictionary with actual content in it, you can see here in this example, there's the tiger is the key, then colon, a large cat, that's the value, and then comma, and then another key value pair. In this case, ice cream, and then colon, a tasty dessert, closed curly bracket, and then semicolon. So this can be pretty helpful, and you'll see later a little bit as to why that is. Another way you can do it is for properties. So for instance, in the next example, we have a hotel. The key is address. The value for that key address is 111 Main Street. Rooms available is another key, and 13 is an integer that is associated with that key rooms available. So 13 is the value associated with the key rooms available. So another important point here is the value can be either a string or an integer or anything else for that matter. And then this dictionary basically makes it a lot easier to call specific properties or look up specific word definitions. The way you can do this is by just saying, in this example, my hotel, which is the name of the dictionary, and then brackets, not curly brackets, but the actual brackets, and then whatever the key is that you're trying to look up. So this example, my hotel address, will look up the key address and will return the value 111 Main Street. So this is going to be really, really helpful later on. Same thing with setting the address to something else. So in the next example, you can see the syntax for how to actually set that variable or set that key value address, which is in the dictionary my hotel, to a value 123 Main Street. So again, this is going to be super helpful later on, and we'll learn a little bit more later as to why. But for now, just try to conceptualize what dictionary means, as well as the key value pair syntax.